Hey, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com, and we got a great question from Greg in Virginia. He's looking to do a DIY project on his crawl space, and he's got a stone wall foundation, and he wants to know how to insulate it. Stay tuned. Greg, we come across stone walls and even uneven brick and even uneven block walls from time to time. And if you're trying to put a piece of foam board on these walls, number one, if it's uneven, it's not going to even stick properly. But number two, if you go to shoot a Hilti nail in there or a masonry screw or something like that, you could actually damage the foundation. What we have found to do is that we use a 2-component closed cell spray foam to insulate the wall. So you take the plastic up the wall, maybe 10 to 12 inches, and then you take a 2-component spray foam and you spray the plastic to the wall and then go up a little higher up the wall, okay? So this way, the 2-component spray foam, which is a closed cell, is also a vapor barrier, and it will join the plastic that you've already laid on the ground, all right? So that's one way that you can do it. It's probably the most effective and easiest way that we have found to do it. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to go back and forth with spray foam. Spray foam expands, so you spray it, you let it expand, you let it harden, and then you spray it again, okay? So there's a way to do it. So if you can find some videos online about how to apply spray foam, that would be probably a great next step for you. Typically, you would get 2-component spray foams at either a local box store like Home Depot or Lowe's or someplace like that. So that was a great question from Virginia. We thank you for all of your questions and comments and likes down below. We hope you like this video. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.